CRM has been actively helping businesses of all domains globally when it comes to improving customer relationships. It has become a ray of hope when organizations are diminishing with revenue growth and low communication services. In the last few years, the sales domain of Business Framework has been an ardent user and a visible spectator of CRM to improve customer reach and management for success-driven organizations. Deploying powerful CRM customization techniques has brought some outstanding results to the sales domain in customer satisfaction and relationship management. Here are some research facts about CRM that directly benefit the sales domain. So, if you are not aware of them, it's time to look into all of them. Nucleus research states that the minimal return on investment for CRM rounds to $8.71 for every dollar spent. One of the top priorities for 48% of companies regarding sales has been improving their CRM sales track as per Adme Enfroy, a marketing expert. 73% remained the average usage of CRM by the sales experts, while the minimal ROI period being 13 months, stated G2's CRM summer research. HubSpot State issued the statement wherein 22% of sales experts are still not aware of the CRM software. Research by Nucleus Agency marked the increasing productivity of sales outreach by 26.4% on using CRM applications, while Salesforce also analyzed the increase in sales up to 29% and forecast accuracy to 42% by using CRM. Within the bracket of just 5 years, 65% of businesses adopted CRM technology in their management, according to research by Capterra. Software Advice reviewed that 74% of the CRM users mentioned the improved and effective access to the customer's data after implementing the software. G2's website recorded the spike in CRM products from 178 to 394, a 121.3% increase in a single year. Nucleus research saw the salespeople's shortened sales cycle by 8 to 14% with the effective data availability by CRM. Forty-7% of CRM users say that CRM has a significant impact on their customer retention and satisfaction. Employing out-of-the-box CRM customization solutions in your organization boosts the sales department and workforce in an organization. It becomes easy to strategize their work and help them keep track of the ascertained activities that help maintain communication across a wide range of customers. Are you looking for CRM customization and development services? Cloud Analogy has a team of certified CRM experts that helps organizations leverage the true potential of CRM and get more value from CRM Salesforce capabilities. Get in touch with Cloud Analogy certified experts now.